So after the interest in my garden video, I thought I'd share my allotment briefly for you. This is at the end of April. Bean sticks are in, but no beans are in. These are sweet peas that are just struggling along. This little section is going to be my cut flower garden. Dahlias, gladioli, Rudbeckia, Alchemilla mollis, no, not Alchemilla mollis, oh gosh, I've forgotten what it's called now, so we'll forget that. I've just got a brain drain. I share my allotment with my neighbour John, who originally had the whole allotment. His is always perfect and pristine. Rather impressive bean poles there that he stole from the railway next door. Here I've got some radicchio and various different greens coming on, and beets, and some lettuce under mini cloches. Peas, this is trying to keep them warm. They're not germinating particularly well, so I've got another 3 lots in pots to go out later. And the broad beans, which are flowering like mad but not really growing very much. And this will be sweet corn and cabbage and broccoli and things like that. And then here, this was my asparagus bed just put in this year, and I've got 3 asparagus spikes coming in, great. A strawberry bed here which is doing well, although you'll see the earth is very compacted because I don't move them, and that was the effect of the wet and then now dry. And this is the big greenhouse that I acquired that I've just cleared out to prepare, and that's what I've been doing today and yesterday, digging the beds so that I can put in my melons, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers and various things. Here I have this is just my section, all the rest is John's. My sort of raised bed that doesn't really work, but it's okay for this sort of thing, with everything waiting, squashes and beans, and my onions. Not very successful with onions. I think there's something in the soil, so this will go soon. Potatoes in pots. I don't really eat potatoes, but new potatoes. I grew these for Mum, and she may never get them now with COVID splitting us up. And here's my gooseberry. It's a red gooseberry, lovely. And my red currant. I have black currants in the garden. That will be a squash bed. These are my leeks. Again, this is the last time I'm going to try leeks, and more strawberries because I couldn't throw them away. These are all the tomatoes and aubergines and everything ready to go into the greenhouse. And then these are my minaret fruit trees. This one is a plum. You can plant them about 1 metre apart. This one very green but not much flower. This one flowered really early, and it always gets infested with green fly. And this is a pear which had 100 pears on last year. It was a fabulous little thing. And the cherry this year looks like it's going to be good, so I'm going to have to get it. And now I'm going to sit down and have a cup of coffee. Bye. Sorry. I may